Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
Then my Guru Maharaj used to say that don't try to see Krishna. Do something so that Krishna may see you. That is what. The Krishna, if we can draw little attention of Krishna, that katakha bhoyavata, katakha bhoyavata, Prabhupada Saraswati says. If you somehow or other you can draw little attention of Krishna, your life is successful. Anyway. And how you can draw? Bhaktyamam avijanat. Simply by serving Krishna. Take to service of Krishna as it is ordered by the spiritual master, because spiritual master is the representative of Krishna. We cannot approach Krishna directly. Just sat prasadat bhagavat prasada. If you have bona fide spiritual master, representative of Krishna, it is also not very difficult. Everyone can become representative of Krishna. How? If you simply carry the message of Krishna without any adulteration, that's all. That's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Amar Agdai Guru Hai. You become a spiritual master under my order. So, if you carry out the order of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Krishna, then you become Guru. Amar Agdai Guru Hai. Unfortunately, we do not wish to carry out orders of the Acharya. We manufacture our own ways. We have got practical experience how a great institution was lost by whimsical ways. Without carrying out the order of the spiritual master, they manufactured something and the whole thing was lost. Therefore, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur stresses very much on the words of the spiritual master. Davasatmika buddhi rekiha kurunandana. If you stick to the order of spiritual master, then without caring for your own convenience or inconvenience, then you become perfect. Just so the parabhakti, jatha devi tatha guru, tatsyaite katita jarta prakashanti maha. This is the confirmation of all authorities. We have to carry out very faithfully the order of the bona fide representative of Krishna, then our life is successful. Then we can understand Krishna in truth. Vadanti tattva vidas tattva. We have to hear from the tattvavid, not from the so-called scholars and politicians. No. One who knows the truth, you have to hear from him. And if you stick to that principle, then you understand everything very clearly. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.